If you're tired of spending forever chopping veggies or dealing with uneven cuts, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing 5 of the best food choppers you can buy right now, looking at speed, ease of use, and real kitchen performance so you can pick the right one. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Once for all Safe Mandolin Slicer 5-in-1 Vegetable Chopper Food Potato Cutter, Strips Julienne Dicer Adjustable Thickness 0.1 to 8 mm Kitchen Chopping Artifact Fast Meal Prep. The Once for All Mandolin Slicer is best known in the US for precision slicing and adjustable thickness control, which makes it popular with people who care about presentation and consistency in cooking. In real-world American use, this is what you use when you want perfect slices. Think potato chips, cucumber slices for salads, or evenly cut vegetables for roasting. It's also common in meal prep setups where consistency matters. The biggest strength here is adjustability. You can control thickness from ultra-thin slices to thicker cuts, which gives you more flexibility than a standard chopper. Another major advantage is speed for slicing. Once you get the hang of it, you can slice vegetables much faster than using a knife. And compared to older mandolins, this one focuses on safety features, which is important. Traditional mandolins are known for causing cuts, so safer designs are a big deal for US buyers. But here's the trade-off. This is mainly for slicing, not dicing. So if you're looking to chop onions or create cubes, this isn't the right tool. There's also a learning curve. You need to get used to how it works, and even with safety features, you still need to be careful. And cleanup can take time, especially with multiple blade attachments. So who should buy this? If you're a US home cook who cares about uniform slices, meal presentation, or prepping large batches of vegetables, this is a great option. Who should not buy this? If you want quick, simple chopping without thinking too much, this is not as convenient as a chopper. Here's the honest bottom line. This is a buy if you want precision and control in your cooking. But if your goal is speed and simplicity, you're better off with something like a chopper instead. Number 2. Mueller The Real Original Pro Chopper Since 2013 Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer, 8-blade Food Veggie Chopper Onion Vegetable Cutter with Container, Kitchen Gadgets and Essentials. If you've been watching Kitchen Gadgets in the US, the Mueller Pro Chopper is one of the most talked about tools, and it's best known for cutting meal prep time in half without needing knife skills. In real American kitchens, this is exactly what people use when they're cooking weeknight meals. Think tacos, salads, meal prep bowls, or even big weekend cooking sessions. Instead of standing there chopping onions and peppers, you just press down and everything drops neatly into the container. The biggest strength here is versatility. With 8 interchangeable blades, you can chop, dice, slice, julienne, and grate all in one tool. That's why it's so popular in US households where people want fewer tools and faster cooking. Another major advantage is time savings. This type of chopper is specifically designed to handle repetitive prep tasks quickly. In fact, multi-blade choppers like this are widely praised for turning long prep work into a few minutes of effort. But let's be real. You still need manual force, especially for harder vegetables like carrots or potatoes. And like most multi-blade systems, cleaning can take time if food gets stuck between blades. Backhand index pointing right. Who should buy this? If you're a busy US home cook, meal prepper, or someone who cooks multiple times a week, this is a strong buy. Backhand index pointing right. Who should not buy this? If you prefer simple tools or don't want to deal with multiple blades and cleanup, this might feel like extra work. Bottom line. This is a buy if you want speed plus versatility in one tool. Number 3. SpaceHacks 12-in-1 Vegetable Chopper, Kitchen Gadgets with 7 blades, Veggie, Food, Onion Chopper, Cucumber Slicer, Versatile Mandolin, includes egg separator and finger guard. Now this one takes things even further. The SpaceHacks 12-in-1 is best known in the US for being a full kitchen kit in one box. It's not just a chopper, it's a slicer, dicer, julienne tool, and even includes extras like an egg separator. In real-world US use, this is what people buy when they want maximum functionality without buying multiple gadgets. You'll see this in homes where people cook a lot, families, meal preppers, or anyone trying to streamline their kitchen. The biggest strength is variety. With multiple interchangeable blades, you can create everything from diced onions to French fries and shredded vegetables. It also includes safety features like a handguard, which is important because these blades are extremely sharp. But here's the trade-off. The more features you add, the more complicated it becomes. There's a learning curve, and cleaning multiple parts can take time. Some users even mention that multi-blade systems can be harder to clean than expected. Backhand index pointing right, who should buy this? If you're a US home cook who wants an all-in-one prep system and cooks frequently, this is a great choice. Backhand index pointing right, who should not buy this? If you want simple, quick, no-hassle chopping, this may feel overly complicated. Bottom line. This is a buy for maximum versatility, but a skip if you want simplicity. Number 4. Bartnelli Vegetable Chopper Food Slicer Pro 15 PC Multifunctional Kitchen Gadgets for Onion, Veggie, Cheese Grater, Vegetables Cutter with large container, easy to clean, with bonus brush and fork. The Bartnelli Chopper is best known in the US for offering a complete, multi-piece kitchen prep system with lots of accessories. In real American kitchens, this is the kind of tool people buy when they want everything included: multiple blades, a large container, and cleaning tools like brushes and forks. The biggest strength here is completeness. You're not just getting blades, you're getting a full kit designed to handle slicing, dicing, grating, and more. This is especially useful for people who cook larger meals or prep food in batches. Another advantage is capacity. These types of choppers usually come with larger containers, which makes them ideal for family cooking or meal prepping multiple servings at once. But again, trade-offs. With more parts comes more cleanup. And like other multifunction choppers, it can feel bulky and time-consuming to maintain if you're only doing small tasks. Backhand index pointing right, who should buy this? If you're a US family cook or someone doing large meal prep sessions, this makes sense. Backhand index pointing right, who should not buy this? If you're cooking for one or just need quick chopping, this is more than you need. Bottom line. This is a buy for big meal prep and full kitchen setups, but a skip for casual use. Number 5. Fullstar The Original Pro Chopper Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer Food Chopper with Container, Fruit Slicer, Kitchen Gadgets and Gifts, Home Essentials. The Fullstar Pro Chopper is one of the most recognizable kitchen gadgets in the United States right now, and it's best known for one thing: saving time during meal prep without using a knife. In the US market, this has become a go-to tool for busy households, meal preppers, and anyone trying to cook more at home without spending 30 minutes chopping vegetables. In real American kitchens, this shows up everywhere. Think about weeknight dinners, cutting onions for tacos, prepping veggies for stir-fry, making salads, or even batch cooking for the week. Instead of pulling out a cutting board and knife, you just press down and get evenly chopped pieces in seconds. That's exactly why it's so popular. One of the biggest strengths is speed and efficiency. This thing can dice, slice, and even spiralize vegetables quickly, turning what used to be a tedious task into something fast and simple. The built-in container also keeps everything contained, which is a big deal in US kitchens where people want less mess and faster cleanup. Another major advantage is consistency. Every piece comes out uniform, which matters more than you think, especially for cooking evenly or making dishes look better. It's also beginner-friendly. You don't need knife skills, which is why a lot of Americans, especially younger cooks or people just learning, gravitate toward this kind of tool. So those are 5 of the best food choppers available right now. If one of these fits your cooking style, check the links down below for the latest prices. And if you're still deciding, drop your question in the comments, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.